replacement. 3 carousel project in Bangladesh. 2 is complete, 1 is running, working. Maybe today or tomorrow. This one is complete. This brand is BELTCON. Check one. It's very high quality product manufacturing and a reasonable price. Okay. This one is working for all people. Just show. Let's go another finished project. Please look at this one. It's finished, just need to cover. Almost work is finished. BELTCON. 125 meter carousel. Check this outside, and I want to show another one outside and go to inside. Okay, going to inside. Every person is working. Okay, this one is another L shape 65 meter carousel. Okay. Check one, shutter door panel, shutter door panel, sensor, and main panel. And check HMI. This one maybe is lock it with the password. Okay, and allow. Okay. Good to run, just checking purpose. Okay, first and to overview. This is the brand BELTCON, and the show. This one will run. Check. Automatically shutter is open. Will be open. Okay, this one opening. Check one. Inside. This carousel is working very good, excellent working. And check BELTCON. I want to show you inside. BELTCON is running. Inside. This one is carved conveyor, L shape. Check inside. Every person working. Drive unit not fit yet. After alignment finish, then drive unit fit. Chain link, carrier. Okay, let's go to outside. Carousel 7. Previous built here in Vanderland. We replaced by BELTCON. Okay, this is BELTCON. Okay, it's running smoothly with cover, outside cover, inside cover, looking very good, looking very good. Maximum manufacturer not provide this cover. Okay, outside cover. This one open, but BELTCON provide cover. That's why looking very good. Okay, this one looking very good. Okay, just running for checking purpose. Okay, I want to go in Carousel 5. This one is 7, 6 and 5. 3, 1 is replaced. Three previous old carousel in has old carousel has BELTCON. Okay, check. This one call is U shape. Okay, it's very big belt. Okay, I will show you. Okay, check this name. BELTCON. BELTCON. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This one is 5. U shape. Okay, U shape. Check inside. Inside is cover, outside also cover, and check down. Foot cover. Kick plate. It's called kick plate. Kick plate. Emergency. Check emergency switch. Emergency push button. Also, this one is Berger tail light. Check. Everything is very good, very well. We recommend BELTCON in every airport involved. Then cost is reasonable and high quality product they are providing. Better than Vandal and more others company. This price and quality. You can choose this one, and their response is very fast. Communication, manufacturing process, and everything. Okay, this one airport is Hazrat Shahjalan International Airport. Arrival section. To show you working time, FIDS. Here working. Some work is finished, but working. Maybe need to 2 days or 3 days completed this one. Okay. I'll show you port. This one is frame. Okay. Cover. Side channel. Okay. Chain link. Wheel. Drive unit, motor. It is not motor provided. Not